Welcome to Hookreations crochet tutorial. In this video I will demonstrate how to complete a back loop stitch. During the tutorial I will demonstrate the steps to the stitch and will repeat the process in slow motion so you can practice along with the video. I am using a 4mm hook and 8-ply pure merino wool. So before we commence the tutorial, I would like to discuss the stitch placement with you. So when you're working with crochet, each stitch has 2 loops at the top of the stitch. So with general crochet, you would normally ensure that you're inserting your hook under both loops at the top of the stitch. But today we're going to be completing a back loop stitch. So what that means is we will actually be working all of our stitches into the back loop only at the top of the stitch. So there's 2 loops. We are going to be working in the back loop only. Now the purpose of that is that it provides some texture to your work. So as you can see, all of these stitches in this sample piece have all been worked into the top or under the top 2 loops of a stitch. Now these stitches here have been worked into the back loop only, so you can see that it creates a ridge in your work and gives you a little bit of extra texture. But I'll show you what this looks like as we complete. So you can use a back loop stitch with any crochet stitch. So whether you're working with a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble stitch, any stitch, they can all be worked into the back loop. For today's demonstration, I'll be using a single crochet. So we want to insert your hook into the back loop only of the next stitch, yarn over, bring that yarn through the stitch, yarn over, and complete the single crochet. So I'm going to do that again. We're going to insert the hook into the back loop only in the top of the next stitch, bring that through and complete the single crochet. So you're going to insert the hook into the back loop only, bring the yarn through and complete your stitch. So I'm just going to complete a few more single crochets into the back loop only so you can see what that does to the end result of your work. You will find when you're working in the back loop that it looks like that your stitch has sort of created a hole in the work. See how you can see there that it looks like it's separated the work. As you complete along a row or a round, your work will come back together again. So it won't keep that look of a hole in your work. So into the back loop only. Just finalize that stitch. So as you can see, it's created a ridge line in your work. It just gives you an extra little bit of detail that wouldn't normally be there. So when you're reading a crochet pattern, you may see an abbreviation that's BLO or back loop only. That's what that's referring to, is you want to work your stitches into the back loop only of the 2 loops at the top of the stitch. And that's how you complete back loop only stitches. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I have a number of tutorials available, so please subscribe to the Hookreations channel to receive updates on new videos. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact me via the social media or email links below. Thank you for watching.